Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport door lock problems and outlines commonly documented situations where the door locking system may not operate as expected. Door lock issues can involve difficulty locking or unlocking doors, inconsistent response from the central locking system, or doors remaining stuck in one position. These problems can vary depending on model year, usage, and maintenance history, and may not affect every Ford EcoSport in the same way. In some cases, door lock concerns may indicate wear or malfunction within locking mechanisms over time. Electrical or electronic factors could be related, such as issues affecting signal communication between switches and actuators. In certain situations, environmental exposure, moisture ingress, or long-term use may act as potential contributing factors. Some versions may also show differences in behavior based on production period or feature configuration, where applicable and verified. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions generally focus on inspection rather than assumptions. Checking for mechanical binding, verifying proper electrical operation, and ensuring components are functioning within specification are common first steps. Repairs or replacements, if required, depend on the confirmed cause and should be carried out by qualified professionals. Overall, door lock problems in the Ford EcoSport can present in different ways and may stem from more than one contributing factor. The exact cause can differ between vehicles, model years, and usage conditions, so a proper diagnosis is essential before taking corrective action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.